How to add or change your profile picture on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly add or change your profile picture on Vimeo in a very easy way. First of all, launch open the Vimeo application and log into your account. Once you're inside, logged into the account, go ahead and click on the Manage button from the bottom of the screen, and inside Manage page, click on the profile avatar at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on View Profile and click on Edit Profile on the next page. Now tap on Edit Photo from the top, and you can either take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take Photo and clicking a picture, or if you want to choose from your existing library or camera roll, tap on Choose Photo. Now you'll be taken to your camera roll from where you can select a picture of yourself and click on Done at the bottom right. After making a selection, adjust the picture within the frame and click on Done at the top right, and your picture will be added to your profile. Finally, after you see this section, click on Save at the top right corner to save your uploaded picture as your profile picture. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.